Mr. Fuzzy, a darling little kitty, had one great enemy: the dreaded vacuum. You see, this noisy menace had a terrible habit of stealing all the fluffy fur Mr. Fuzzy worked so hard to sprinkle across his favorite spots. Simply unacceptable. One day, he hatched a brilliant plan: unplug the beast once and for all. But oh dear, his tiny, sharp claws weren't made for such tasks. And zap! A shocking surprise left his whiskers in a perpetual state of floof. From that day on, Mr. Fuzzy remained a permanently poofy, adorably disheveled little fuzzball, forever keeping a respectful distance from the vacuum and its sneaky cord.